How to fix no DNS server is assigned. The network connection quality might be low in Windows 11. Hello friends, when you attempt to connect to internet and run Get Help app for troubleshooting purpose, you might get this error message. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, make sure that network jammer is not active in your area. The jammers are generally activated during examinations or land order problems by the government institutions. The jammers prevent Wi-Fi signal from working. If any network jammers are running, wait until the normal network is resumed. If everything is fine in your area, then change DNS IP address. For this, click on search, type ncpa.cpl. Click on the result. Right click on the running adapter. The active adapter will show green signal mark. Right click on the adapter showing green signal mark and select properties. Select the option Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on properties. Check the option use the following DNS server addresses. Check this circle. For preferred DNS server, type 8888. For alternate DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK. Click on close. Close the network connections window and restart your computer. Then check the problem should be solved. If the problem still persists, you can disable and enable the network adapter. Click on search, type ncpa.cpl, click on the result, right click on the adapter, select disable, again right click on the adapter and select enable. The internet will be automatically connected. See if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, reset network. Click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator, click on yes. Then go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Copy the first line of command from the description. Paste into the command prompt and press enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Copy the third line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed. If the issue still persists, restart router. For this, turn off the power source of the router and wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Then power on the router. Wait until the network signal is stabilized in the router and try to establish the connection. The issue should be fixed now. If the issue still occurs, you can contact with the ISP, Internet Service Provider. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.